Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. If you're new here, I'm Buckbeat and today I will be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get this app. It's called RubicsCubeSolver.com. I will be putting a link for that in the description of this video. So if you want to just easily click on that, you can go ahead and do that. So what I'm doing right now is I am matching exactly what my cube looks like to this. So you can see my cube is right there on the screen. And basically what I'm doing is I have to do it exactly. So a couple times I accidentally had too many whites or too many blues, but you can't do that. It has to be exact, which is good because then it actually solves it really well and it's gonna do it super easily for you. So you're just gonna keep doing this. Make sure you do it exact. And then once you're done with that, you'll see what happens next. So as you guys can see, I am now solving the cube, and now I will be able to see every single combination or turn, twist and turn that I will need to do. And when it says 2 times, that means turn it twice. But when you start it out, you're gonna want to make sure that it looks like your cube looks like the same thing that is on your screen, and make sure it looks like that each time you turn it or something, or you messed up somewhere.
Now that you've followed all of the steps on the site, you should now have solved your Rubik's Cube. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you share it with your friends that need to solve their Rubik's Cube, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.